How to add app icons on your home screen or desktop on your laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily add app icons on your desktop. So what I'm basically talking about is how you can easily add shortcuts to your apps. So if you see these arrow icon here, that means these are all of the shortcuts to your apps. Now, in order to add this, what you need to do is first find the app here. I'll just go ahead and search for Epic Games Launcher for now. Just type in Epic Games. All right, so once you have your app here, in some cases you can directly drag and drop it on your desktop, but if that doesn't work, go ahead and click on Open File Location. Then right-click again, and then you can click on Open File Location again, or you'll directly find the shortcut here. You could just go ahead and copy this, press Ctrl+C, or just right-click, and then find the copy button. I'll just click on copy. Go ahead and right-click here, and then paste it. You directly have this, or what you can do instead is right-click again, and then go to Open File Location. Then you'll have this exe file. Right-click again, then tap on Show More option, tap on Send To, and then go ahead and click on Desktop. It's going to create a shortcut automatically. And if I just go over to my desktop, another shortcut has been created. And that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.